So hi, it's me Irfan, and today I would like to show you how to remove numbering from each entry within a Google Sheet. So please check this out. Now put your cursor on the cell that you want to put the entry without numbering, and now on the formula here, copy and paste this code. Replace the cell that you want to remove the numbering, the digit and the comma, like this. You can get this code under the description column. After doing this, copy and paste this code and now click enter. Now you see the numbering has been removed from this cell. So now we are going to do the rest of the list. Just do like this. And now all the numbering has been removed using this formula. Replace the cell, the digit, and like this, the comma. You can get this code under the description of this video. So please do not forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.